But it had no play in it, you know? It's just the bad bearings. I guess it probably just shot and dry.
That's the one thing I've always like.